Balik sa GMA Regional TV Live mga kapuso karong buntaga atong ilailahon kining Negrense nga nag-top 2 sa baguhay lang gipahigayon nga physician licensure examination. Unsay istorya niya mga kapuso ato sa pakisayran unsa may sikreto kay gawas nga top 2 ni siya sa eksaminasyon karong bag-o nag-top 2 sab ni siya sa laing board exam pipila ka tuig ang nakalabay. Makauban nato karong buntaga mga kapuso ang bag-ong Dr. Adrian Emmanuel Jago Teves. Good morning, Doc!
Good morning, Sir Nico. Good morning, mga kapuso. Salamat sa pag-imbita nako diri sa GMA Regional TV Live.
Thank you so much for joining us, Sir Adrian, this morning. First up, sir, congratulations di ay sa imong feat karong bag-o. Can you take us back to the moment, sir, when you learned of the results sa physician licensure exam? Diin man ka, and how did you learn of the result? Labi na nga, nag-top 2 ka, sir.
Thank you so much, Sir Nick. When actually that night abang na gyud mi sa resulta no kasi we had a feeling na namo mugawas na gyud. So naara ko ato sa Manila sa among balay dito, naghulat gyud ko. And paglantaw gani nako paggawas sa results, first na kong gilantaw is top 10. Not for anything, no, wala taga-expect, but nilantaw lang ko. Wala pagod nako nakita na ako ngalan at first. Wala na ako nakitaan dito sa top 10 na list, no. So niadto dayon ko sa full list of passers and nakita na ako ang akong ngalan. So lipay gyud kay ko ato. And then I went back to the top 10. Wala ra mo lantaw ako kinsay na nga ni top. And then that was the time I found out nga, uy, nakachamba na punta og top 2.
Pagkanindot ani sir kay mao na back to back na ipod sir no kay 2014 sa PT nga licensure exam nag-top 2 sad ka sir. So top 2 sa PT kani adto top 2 karon sa physician licensure. Unsa may sikreto ani Doc Adrian?
I think kung naa may sikreto, it's the development of good habits and hard work. Okay? Ang pag-prepare actually sa board exam does not start during the review period. Kaya kanang review period nato, that's only 2 months or so. The preparation actually starts way beforehand. Even sa high school, you develop good habits, good study habits, and you can carry that on until, and I carried that on until med school.
Sa mga nagpangutana ato lang for the information of our viewers, you studied medicine sir sa University of Santo Tomas, pero ang imong pre-med nga course was at Silliman University, di ba sir? Sa PT?
Yes, Sir Nix. Diri gyud ko sa, actually I was really born and raised here in Negros Oriental, no? Negrense gyud ko. But so I really am a product of Silliman University, and dako po kay natabang dako kaya siya tatabang sa development nako, no? Self-development as a person, as a good citizen. And nag-decide lang ko nga maybe I should try to, go out of my comfort zone. Dito na ko niingon nga maybe I should try to study in Manila also. Just to go out of my comfort zone.
Can you tell us your story sir kaning pagka-doktor? Is this a childhood dream nimo?
Actually, Sir Nick, the reason why I went into medicine is very personal to me, no? In 2007, my father actually became a victim of a bombing incident in Batasan, if you have heard. So at that time, I was still in high school. Wala pa ko'y buot ato, no? But nakita na ako, naunsa akong papa, actually, nasunog more than half of his body, na-fracture yung duha ka tiil, and dugay kayo yung recovery. Gisidate siya sa hospital for a month or so. And nakita na ako dito ang giunsa niya pag-recover. He's slowly recovering, no? Nakita na ako ang tabang sa doktor yun. But I credit everything. I credit his 100% recovery to the healing power of the Lord, no? And ang healing power of the Lord na manifest through the healing hands of doctors. So dito gito nahulma ang akong damgo na mahimo pong doctor because I also want to heal people in the future.
Ang imong mga parents sir, unsay impluwensya sab nila nimo sa imong career choices, sa imong path nga gitake?
Actually, ang akong parents, they're very kanang tagaan gyud mi nila og freedom, no, sa akong mga igsoon tulungan mi tagaan ra gyud mig freedom ug unsay among ganahan kay ingon akong papa before na if you do something you love, you will not work not even a day for your life, no? Because if you are enjoying what you are doing, dili makakapuyan. Although kapuyan ka, but you would want to do it for the rest of your life. And also, my inspiration gyud is really my mother. In fact, murag number one fan gyud na akong mama since day one. Nara ko i-share nga story, Sir Nick, ha?
Go ahead,
Di ba,
sir.
4 days man tong among exam, no? Ngun akong mama, every day atong 4 days, mag-pray siya on her knees from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Pagkahuman daw sa adlaw, murag mas kapoy pa siya nako nga ni-take sa exam. Tungod kay ga-pray ra gyud siya for peace of mind and clarity, nga mahinumduman ako, tanan akong gitunan. And of course, by the grace of God, nakachamba gyud ta sa atong PLE, nakatop 2 ta.
Wow. Pero how was it like sa exam, sir? Nag-struggle ba pud ka, sir? Or doon na ba kay gilisdan ato?
So, Sir Nick, lisod gyud tong exam, medyo challenging gyud siya. Pero siguro with all the support and prayers, no? Siguro na enlighten ta, kalma ramang ko atong panahon na, siguro because of all the prayers. So, mao na, sir.
What's next for you, Doc Adrian? Unsa may plano ba po ka nga mo specialize?
Yes, Sir Nick. Actually, sa medicine, no, duha man ang atong, usually duha ang path, no? Either mag-general practice ka right away, or you can specialize either pediatrics sa mga bata, or internal medicine, or obstetrics gynecology. Ang akong plano, Sir Nick, is either to go into oncology, which is cancer medicine, or pediatrics sa mga bata kay hilig manggugug bata pod. Karon ako pa nang gi-pray og unsa gyud para nako, Sir Nick.
And where do you plan to practice, sir? Puhon.
Puhon, well, my plan is to train in Manila, no, and maybe abroad. After that, Sir Nick, mubalik gud ko diri sa Negros Oriental because I want to serve my people. Kay diri gud ko gikan.
Sa advice mahatag nimo, Doc Adrian, sa mga batan-on nga nagtan-aw nato oron coming from you.
So, it's very important, especially to those who want to go into medicine or for any other profession for that matter, no? It's very important to know your why, W-H-Y, no? Ug nganong mao na imong ganahan, ug nganong nakakadiha. Because along the journey, especially in becoming a doctor, taas magud kaayo, no, ang journey and lisod. There will be so many challenges and there will be times that you would want to quit. But if you know your why, deep in your heart, you really know why you are there, balikan na nimo.
Sir, before going to med school, nagpiti sad ka, sir? Unsa may why sa nimo ngano nagpiti ka, sir?
Actually, Sir Nick, di ba, naingon ko nga, akong papa nasunog, na-fracture, na-fracture siya ayang tiil, as in buak, Sir Nick. But thankfully, naka-recover siya. Ang pagbalik niya ato, ang pag-recover niya ato, needed physical therapy yun. Intensive physical therapy. So, usap po to sa why.
Alright, to cap this off, Doc Adrian, mensahe nimo sa mga nagtan-aw nato karong buntaga.
I would just like to summarize everything, no, nga, sa akong message today. Number 1 is to pray always. Number 2 is to develop good habits. Take care of your mental health. Stay grounded. And finally, give back to the community. So, mauna akong message to all our viewers.
Wow, very well said. Thank you so much for joining us, sir, og paghatag sab og inspirasyon
much, sir.
sa atong mga viewers. Mga kapuso, bagong doktor, top 2 ni siya sa PLE, Dr. Adrian Emmanuel Teves. Salamat!
Thank you, kayo, Sir Nick. Thank you sa atong viewers.
Thank you, sir.